are cowards.
I'm not so sure of that. It might prove otherwise.
Dangerous, you think? But a little danger adds spice to romance. Isn't that the old saying?
You are in a romantic mood.
Aren't you? What a small world it is. Here we are tonight. You married to the commandant whose executive officer I happen to be. And only yesterday, at least, it doesn't appear any longer ago than that, we were together at Monte Carlo.
I'd hardly say together.
You're right. I remember now. You weren't very cordial to me.
Your memory's improving.
Of course. Count Roma. He was your friend then.
I'm afraid you'll have to make yourself clearer. After all, I'm a Viennese. I must have things told me very plainly.
Even a child could understand my effort to console you.
Console me? So I need to be consoled?
Don't you? With a husband twice your age?
Little more than that, I believe.
But there you are. He has but one love, his career, while other men, one in particular, wants only the chance to adore you.
And console me.
That goes without saying.
Oh, now I see. You're offering yourself as a consolation.
Wholehearted.
And it's your adoration.
And love, Diana. That's what I offer.
How charming. Well, good night.
Wait. You can't get rid of me like this.
Oh, come, Bamberg. This is supposed to be a romantic scene, not a dramatic one. I must confess it couldn't be more amusing. Oh, that's tell. Do you know Captain Bramberg has the most delicious sense of humor? You've been telling me the most ridiculous stories. So nice of you to remember that this is our dance. Thanks, you couldn't have come at a better time.
Here you are, man. Ask for an immediate reply. Order inspection of the dynamo at once. See if there's perfect working order. Yes, Colonel. Monsieur Bramberg. What are you doing here? You're not enjoying the dance?
No, I wanted a word with you.
Word with me? Must be important. Waste time with me when our ladies aboard.
I want some advice.
This is interesting.
I hardly know how to say it. I thought that you, being a husband, could advise me best.
You're about to become a husband?
Oh, no. Not at all. This is another husband. He has a wife.
Most husbands have. Not a press for time.
I mean, he has a wife who is, well, she has a history.
Sort of a history.
Well, she's got to be lowest class. Used to take life rather lightly. Always seen in the gay places. Biarritz, Monte Carlo, Vienna.
What have I got to do with this? Unless possibly you are interested in the wife.
No, not at all. The husband is, well, he's my elder brother.
An elder brother with a younger wife. Well, what has she done?
What could you expect? There was a young fellow, rather attractive to women, I believe. They saw a great deal of each other. In fact, he was in my brother's employ. Well, you can guess the rest.
What do you want me to do?
Advise me. Should I tell my brother? Would he consider it a friendly act?
You think your brother would turn over in his grave?
In his grave?
Yes, if you had a brother. Vanberg, you think I'm a doddering fool. Your family history is a matter of record. You have no brother. You faked up this whole lie to make me believe that Madame Corlay is interested in someone else.
Why would I do that?
Because you're jealous of me. Because you've hated me since our school days at the academy. As long as you're on this ship and accept my orders, I can't discipline you. But if you ever refer to Madame Corlay again, I'll break you, Vanberg. I'll break you. That's an insult. You know what to do.